Hi, I'm Simi Pasha and I've got an update on Tablighi Jamaat members donating their plasma for treatment of COVID patients. These are the same people who were demonized not just by the ruling BJP but the entire right-wing machinery, including news channels. We're now going to show you some exclusive videos of Tablighi Jamaat members donating their plasma at quarantine facilities in the national capital.
माशाल्लाह सुल्तानपुरी क्वारंटीन सेंटर से फारूक बादशाह साहब तमिलनाडु के ये अपना प्लाज्मा डोनेट कर रहे हैं इंसानियत के लिए, अल्लाह के लिए। सुल्तानपुरी क्वारंटीन सेंटर से भाई फारूक बादशाह साहब तमिलनाडु।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मैं मोहम्मद उस्मान नरेला क्वारंटाइन से बोल रहा हूँ। यहाँ पर मैं क्वारंटाइन हुई 31 मार्च से और यहाँ पर ही बराबर में एक ब्लड प्लाज्मा सेंटर बनाया गया है। वहाँ से मैं यहाँ लाया गया हूँ ब्लड प्लाज्मा डोनेट के लिए। और ये ब्लड प्लाज्मा डोनेट की हिदायत हमें मौलाना साहब ने दी है ताकि जो लोग कोरोना पॉजिटिव हैं अगर उनके लिए ये ब्लड प्लाज्मा फ़ायदेमंद है तो मैं इसे खुशी से अपनी जो है ब्लड प्लाज्मा डोनेट कर रहा हूँ ताकि लोगों को फ़ायदा हो। इसमें ये मसला नहीं है कि वो हिंदू है या मुस्लिम है, फ़ायदा होना चाहिए।
ये प्लाज्मा निकल रहा है और खून वापस इसमें ही आ रहा है, देखिए आप।
Tablighi Jamaat's legal counsel Fuzail Ayyubi says that members of Tablighi Jamaat agreed to come forward and donate their plasma after an appeal from Maulana Saad.
Maulana Saad gave an appeal to all his followers across the country that please come forward and make blood donations so that the plasma therapy, which has been now seen as a savior, could be further strengthened and this fight against COVID-19 will be fought with more strength. Now, when this appeal went out, the followers across the country they took it very, very happily, and they were willing and they were forthcoming and they came forward. And there are so many places in the country where this donation is taking place. Now, here in Delhi also, we see that there is one coordinator who has been appointed by Delhi government, Dr. Shoaib, and he's coordinating with the authorities here, and he's trying to help and facilitate as far as this blood donation is concerned. And we are hopeful that the contribution of the members of Tablighi Jamaat will go a long way in this fight against COVID-19.
The Delhi government has been working closely with Tablighi Jamaat members who have undergone treatment at quarantine facilities in Narela, Mandoli and Sultanpuri and have now recovered. I spoke to Shaleen Mitra, who is an officer on special duty with Delhi Health Minister Satyendra Jain, and he said that about 400 Jamaat members have already recovered and they tested negative for COVID after consecutive testing. Recovered patients are allowed to become donors only after double testing. He said that most of these Tablighi Jamaat members have readily agreed to donate their plasma for treatment of other COVID patients. Testing is happening only at night because most of these Jamaat members are fasting during Ramzan, and during Roza you're not allowed to inject a needle. So most of the testing and taking out of the plasma process is happening between 8 and 10 p.m. Shaleen Mitra also said that the Delhi government is reaching out to all of these Jamaat members who have recovered, some of whom have already been discharged and gone back home. To understand how plasma therapy works, let's get a word from Dr. Sangeeta Pathak. She's a senior consultant and she heads the blood bank at Max's Super Speciality Clinic in Saket. Her team is also responsible for successfully treating a COVID patient with plasma therapy. It's India's first. Thanks so much, Dr. Pathak, for taking our time and speaking to us. Firstly, can you tell us a little bit about how plasma therapy actually works?
So how the convalescent plasma works is that the convalescent plasma is being collected from a patient who has recovered from corona. And how he has recovered is that this patient developed antibodies against the virus that was circulating within this patient. Now these antibodies are there in him and have protected him. And these antibodies now we need for a patient who is suffering from corona at present. And this is a type of an adaptive immunotherapy, and we can say means passively we are transfusing the antibodies from a recovered patient into a patient who right now needs it. And once these antibodies are transfused in the form of, means they are in the plasma. So we take out the plasma and transfuse it into the patient, and the patient recovers because of the presence of antibodies, and this convalescent plasma acts in adjunct with the other therapies that are there being used in this patient.
Can you tell me a little bit about the first patient who you managed to treat using plasma therapy, and what were the initial results?
In this particular case, we got a request from the patient's family, and we had 4 members of the same family admitted with us, and 2 of them were not doing well, and we got a request from them, and the donor was arranged from them. And since the patient was going into a very critical condition, we thought we had all the preparations with us, because we had already applied to the concerned authorities for the clearance for us. So we had all the SOPs made by that time. We had all the consents with us. So we did this and thought to do it on the compassionate ground. And when we did it, the transfusion and the collection were done on 13th of April. And by Thursday, that is the 16th of April, the patient was extubated. By 18th of April, we had a first corona negative. By 20th of April, the second corona test was negative. And I'm very happy to tell you all that today my patient has been discharged and he has gone home. So it has given such fruitful results and such encouragement, not only to my Max Healthcare, but to the entire country who's looking forward to use this convalescent therapy.
Are you also now working with the Delhi government and helping the health department in setting up centers where plasma can be extracted for treatment of COVID patients?
Yes, we are working in collaboration with the government also, and the Delhi government has asked help from all the hospitals in Delhi to collect the plasma, and we are a part of this collection, and these collections will go to ILBS and LNJP hospital. So we are a part of this collection of plasma done by Delhi government.
Thank you, Dr. Pathak, for all those details. Now, finally, some breakthrough in treatment of COVID patients that has come about because of the help of Tablighi Jamaat members. Let's hope their contribution is remembered the next time a Muslim is being harassed, discriminated against, or being labelled as a corona bomb.